Want to purchase top quality products from Amazon but don't know where to start? Well, you have clicked on the perfect video. In this video, I will show you the easy steps on how you can sign up to the Amazon Store app. Before we start the tutorial, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on with the video. Firstly, open the Amazon app on your device. Now, once the home screen of the app is open on your device, you can click on the Create an Account button, which is located directly under the Sign In button. And click on the Create Account button on your screen. Now you will have to fill in your required information and then click on the Continue button. I will cut the filling information part of the video for security purposes. Now, click on the Verify phone number or email, which will appear as per the information that you have provided. Once you click the button, a verification code will be sent to you via text or email. The code will be automatically filled in and you're ready to purchase quality products from your own Amazon account. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and do subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials.